Hi all. In this week we will have a different AI application. This is my fifth video tutorial in artificial intelligence applications. Now in this video I will introduce a beautiful AI application, Genmo AI. By using Genmo AI we can create beautiful animations, beautiful three-dimensional pictures, images. Okay, just by using our imagination we can bring our imagination into our life. Okay, so that is the very good tool we have. So first step is go to genmo.com, Google, and click Genmo AI. Okay, so first step is you have to create an account, right? So just click create a video. It will take to the next page. You can see different three-dimensional animations, videos. Okay, so this is pre-designed animations. Now let's see how to create an account and how to create this type of beautiful animations by using Genmo AI. So for that you have to click login option. So it will take to the next page, and you have to click sign in with Google. So always you can use your Gmail ID to create an account. Okay, yes, so this is your account creation page. Okay, now you have to click let's get started. Yes, you can get a page like this. Okay, here you can search any images, three-dimensional images as you want. Okay, or you can create on your own imagination. You can also upload our image or photos. Okay, now whatever you imagine, just like for example, I give a dolphin face with a boy. Okay, I just enter this text and I can click generate image. Yeah, within few seconds you can get a image. So the artificial intelligence will create an image. Okay, simply if you have imagination, you can convert your imagination into a real life. Yes, so we have got a beautiful image, a dolphin plays with the boy. So this is our imagination. Yes, so like that you can generate many images as you want. Okay, for example, if you want to convert this image into video, so you can click here this tick mark. So if you click tick mark, it will go to the next page, text to video. So already you have a given text. So the text has been converted into image. Now you can convert these images animated video. Okay, so for example, you can click make video. Okay, just I click make video. So it will be making a video. Here you can get a page like this. Here you can describe how you want frames to look in the caption. Okay, so you can give a description based on your need. Okay, and here your dolphin plays with the boy. This is a caption one, and you can explode some objects, some background. Okay, so something like that you can exclude. You can type it here if you don't want. Okay, and add captions to tell your story. If you need, you can add a caption. Okay, otherwise you can also customize the options like length 2.5 seconds. Okay, how many seconds you want, you can select it here, and exploration also you can select fast changing. Okay, and dynamism. Okay, you can increase as you wish, smoothness. Okay, yes, so you can enable all these options and you can click this make video. Yeah, it will take to the next page. So the video will be downloaded after a few seconds, so you can get a video in your account, right? Now another example we will have. I play with the bamboo. Now let's see. So you can click generate image. You can also select here the ratio, aspect ratio. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Now we have got a image. Okay. This is just like a three-dimensional picture. Okay. So simply we can convert this picture as video, or you can use this picture. Okay. There is no copyright claim, so you can use it for your educational purpose. Okay. So let me click to the next step to convert a video. Okay. And here also you can find, if you click over the image, and you can get a blue background, okay, blue color. And if you want to apply this color in any object, so you can apply it. Okay. For example, let me apply this blue on this robot. And I can click foreground. Yes, now the color has changed. Okay, so this option is also available, and if you don't want, you can reset this option. Okay, right, so you can customize these options as you want, and you can make a video. Yes, so you will get a video in your account. So after a few seconds, we can get a video. So similarly, we can create many number of beautiful animations, three-dimensional animations, videos. Now the video is getting prepared. So by this time, we can go right hand side. Okay, you can click here, and you can get a dashboard. Okay, so I have created all these three-dimensional images. These are all free images. Okay, so you don't need to pay. Okay, so there is the upgrade option also available. So there are many features available in upgrade, but we don't need to go for upgrade. Simply free version itself, we can create a beautiful animations. Right. So if we click community, so someone else have created many different animations, images. So we can also use it for our content creation or education purpose. Or simply if you have any imaginations, so you can easily create. Here if you want to download this video, and you can download here. Okay, you can click download, so the video will be downloaded. Okay, and also you can share this link to anyone. Okay, now let me play the video. See there? Yes, so you can get a beautiful animation. Okay. So like that you can create many animations or many images. This is my another account. Okay, I have created many images. Now let me create another example. Rainbow appears in hills. So you can click generate image. Yeah, see there. So a rainbow appears in the hills. Okay, so whatever your imagination, so you can simply get into your real picture. Okay, so this is the fantastic application as having this Genmo AI. And if you click this Spectre Heavenly, so you can get the entire animations or images you have created. Okay, this is the dashboard area where you can get your own imaginations. This way we can use this Genmo AI for our education purpose or content creation or something like that. Okay, so I hope this video will be very useful. We will meet in another interesting AI application next week. Thank you so much.